Thank you for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ad, guys. In this video, I had to do a talk over on this video, guys, because the audio gave me a fight because of the wind that was on the boat when we went offshore fishing. Here in this video, guys, I'm going offshore fishing with my subscriber John from out of Texas. We're on the boat called Nata Ross. Our captain name is Bobby, and we're going out to get some serious action in, guys. I want you to stay tuned and watch this video, guys, because it was really rough and a serious experience. I should have went out in the morning time, but we decided we was going to go out in the evening time and get some fishing in and see what we could pick up on the drop, due to the fact of John's time here and when he had to leave. So stay tuned, guys. We are about to get some serious action in with Jamaican Shore Fishing on the Nata Ross. So if you're in the Montego Bay area, guys, and you want to go out with Jamaican Shore Fishing, drop me an email at jamaicanshorefishing@gmail.com, guys, and I will get you out there and give you that ultimate experience in Jamaica. All right, guys, Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here. One love. Stay tuned. Epic video, guys. Bless up.
Now, this is the only place that's the most undiscovered on the face of this planet. It's the ocean.
Oh, yeah. They say we know more about the ocean than the ocean.
Yep. Rain's coming. See rain all that, bro?
Well, kind of next to the hotel.
Huh?
There's time break. What's the bar in the do you have any red print?
You're on.
You're on.
Yes, sir. Go on. Wanna bring this one down? Come on, buddy. Get your head around.
What you want to say about red stripe?
Yeah, good job, guys. Got something on here. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Took off on me a while ago, boy, like a gunshot.
Tail? Tailor head.
Coming to you. Oh, you just took off again.
You got 3 miles.
Get him up. Hey, that one here. Hey, you look good. I can't even see him.
He's deep. Still deep. Whoa.
He's trying to. There you go. There's a barrel. Oh! Looks like I'm. Hold on, John. He's trying to pull this. Hold on. Careful. Watch your tail. Watch your hook, John.
Good, dude.
Alright. Hold on. Come on.
Hold on. Nice Spanish.
Alright, got him.
A nice Spanish. Hey.
Good shot, buddy. We'll hook something.
Talk about him.
Yeah.
What you want to say about red stripe? Talk about red stripe, son. Talk about red stripe.
Yeah, I was with Jerry at the
Yacht Club.
Duck Club. I get back to the hotel, like, hey, y'all have sorrel. We go, how do you know about sorrel?
Hold on, let me get this hook out. This fucker's hook good, boy.
That's a good Spanish, man. Hell yeah.
Woohoo!
Hey. Grips.
Huh? That's good.
A good Spanish.
Look at him, boy. Yeah. Let's get this guy in the cooler.
So,
John, you want a water?
Sure, yeah. Yes, I'll get back to the hotel. I go to work today. Yeah, I need to reach
Yeah.
Sorrel.
We're gonna move some of this stuff.
They go, how do you know about Richard Sorrel?
Oh shoot. Yes, I am. Certainly back again this one. Yeah.
Been a while since I had something.
Get the grips, John.
Thank you.
Woo! And this was the same spot that I caught one off land, right here. Oh boy. He's so slimy. I think that one gave me a little workout on that. getting a little bit seasick because of the happiness and the fume. Got me feel nauseous. Last week I was at sea for 8 hours. Hey guys, another one just came in the boat. Another cardinal sample. Yeah. They get beat it up out there. I'm kind of seasick, guys. The fumes are messing me up. Got this big mackerel here. Got this right here. These cardinal snappers. I'll throw this next one in the cooler now, guys. Don't feel it looks like you got something on there. Told guys you got something good on there. Sorry for not being such a good commentator, but I've been barking some in the water so that John can catch some snappers with my bark. So that's what's up, guys. I wasn't feeling good. I guess it's the exhaust that got me a little bit nauseous, and then I drank the Coca-Cola on the water, so that created a little acid reflux. And guys, so we're here. John that's what's on. His cardinal snapper just keeps on getting bigger and bigger each time he goes down. So we work in the Tanakana, 1,000 and about 800 people. And we're working this spot for a while. Another one, bigger one, right? Bigger one, John? Oh, about the same normal one, like normal size. Drummer. Yeah, he's bulging out, coming from so deep. Eyeballs, tongue, everything. So, that's how we do it, guys. Deep dropping here in Jamaica.
Oh, it's croaker.
Yeah, coca. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Yeah, we call them croakers in the States, but here they call them drummers. But the drummers in the States are huge.
Yeah, big uglies, yeah.
The drummers are like the size of the seat that you sit on. Yeah, bro. 38 inches, 36 inches, those sizes.
Hey, this is bait.
Yeah.
I call this. call it a day now. Bring it back.
All right, let's troll it back then. Let's take that. Let's disconnect that. We'll disconnect the weight first.
Get all the crap off.
Yeah. We get this fish in the cooler real quick. Get up there, you know, stick me with your spur today, buddy. Yeah, guys. So let me get this guy in the cooler here. I'm gonna grab one. I'll get stuck with one of these spurs here. Let's get them in here. So this is our catch so far, guys. Coming from the deep. We got 4 cardinal snapper, 1 croaker, and a huge Spanish mackerel, guys. So that's what's going on here.